Which sea creature would end you? Level 1. Moon. Cute and completely harmless. She might hide in an anemone, but she poses no threat to you. Survival chance, 100%. Level 2. Sea nettle. Usually peaceful, but its tail packs a venomous punch. A painful lesson, but rarely fatal if you're careful. Survival chance, 85%. Level 3. Lion's mane. A giant with tentacles over 30 meters long. If you get tangled, the shock alone might end you. Survival chance, 50%. Level 4. Irukandji. Tiny as a fingernail, but its venom is 100 times stronger than a cobra's. A true silent killer. Survival chance, 5%. Level 5. Box Jellyfish. A nightmare from the depths. One touch triggers a biological collapse. Flesh wraps around your bones in pure agony. Survival chance, 0%. Feed your brain with insane facts. Subscribe to Brain Bite. Don't forget to like and drop a comment.